Hello guys, welcome back to the Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the constituents of the ordinary Portland cement. That cement is composed of different components and how much in percentage these components are present in the cement. And also we know that cement is the second world most used material on the earth. So cement is the second most used material on this planet, on earth. So it means it is used in motor, it might be used in motor, it might be used in the concrete form, and so on. And we know that concrete is used in the construction of different buildings, bridges, tunnels, residential buildings, highways and motorways, and so on. So concrete is also the most used construction material on this planet. But it should be kept in mind that cement is the most used material on this earth, and it is on the second number. So now we should go into the constituents of the ordinary Portland cements. So I'm going to make a table to write on one side the constituents. On one side I'm writing its constituents. On the other side I'm going to write its notations. And on the end we can write the percentage and how much percent they are present. So starting with the first one, that the most present constituent of the Portland cement is the tricalcium. This is the first one, is the tricalcium silicate. The second one used is the dicalcium silicate. The third one used is the tricalcium aluminate. The fourth one is the tetracalcium aluminoferrite. So these are four important constituents of the cement. Now we should know their notations, that how they are being presented technically. So tricalcium silicate is presented by C3S, where C represents the calcium, 3 represent the tri here, and S represent the silicate. So tricalcium silicate, and how much they are present in the cement, they are present in the amount of 30 to 50%. The second one is the dicalcium silicate. So it is di means 2, calcium silicate, so we can write C2S. 2 is the di, C is calcium, and S is silicate. And how much they are present? They are second in number, and they are present to from 20 to 45%. The third one is the tricalcium aluminate, and they are represented by C3A, where C represents the calcium here, 3 represent the tri here, and A represent the aluminate, and they are present in the amount of 8 to 12%. The fourth one is the tetracalcium aluminiferrite, which means C4AF. So C is calcium, 4 is tetra here, and A is alumino, F is ferrite, and they are present in the amount of 6 to 10% in the cement. So if we have cement here, for example this is cement, so if we divide this into 4 parts, so it will look like this, So I call it, for example, C3S here is present in a higher amount, and then we have C2S, and then we have C3A, and then the last one is C4AF. So there are 4 important constituents of the ordinary Portland cement. So I hope you guys understand today's lecture where I mention the important four components of the cement and also their percentage, that how much they are present in the cement. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching our video.